Hey!
Hey!
When did she put her cups up?
Hey!
Hi!
When she's sneaky as shit, dude. You gotta watch her, man.
She
Put the bottle up, too.
Sleep?
Which is, she's in the bathroom, man. That's when you sneak the booze back out. There you go. Now we're talking.
Quickly.
Oh, man, I can't do more of that. I'm good. If I can get fish this, I'm good.
Rapido.
Pronto. Chingale.
Chingawe.
Chingao.
It smells like ass. I'm telling you straight up, dude.
It's hard down,
I'm just
but
letting you know. Okay.
I'm straight.
That Blue Angel I saw on the fucking Euro trip, right here.
Just a little bit. I already got some in there. It's good.
You spilled some, man.
Hey, really, this is absinthe, motherfucker.
Give me a second.
You better lick it up.
You don't want none of that?
Lick it up! Lick it up!
It's only right now.
What's that low ass shit? Come on, it's Paul Stanley now.
It's only right
now.
It's only right now. He's a bass player. That's what he's got.
I got the bottom, big bottoms.
Big bottom. Big bottom.
Talking about mud flaps. My girl's got them.
Talking about bum cake.
Big bottom drive me out of my mind. How could I leave this behind? Oh, babe.
Spinal
I-5 course. We did not have answers, alright?
You are some smooth motherfucker.
Cover that up fucking good like a motherfucker, man.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
Oh my lord.
Covered her ass well there, Reese.
That's not how you play, I'm just pretending.
Did you miss a note?
I heard you guys play this the other night. I was fucking impressed with it. It's pretty good too.
Holy fuck. Reese is fucked up.
You're like.
Touch it, Reese. Touch it.
I can't even feel my fucking neck.
Monkey.
There it is.
I can tell you this, you're freaking Kevin out, man.
Yo, bitch.
Get off
Please
me.
get off me.
It's coffee, isn't it?
If I could, I would.
It's coffee, man.